production line. The raw materials of gummy usually include agar, gelatin, pectin, konjac gum and starch, as well as fruit paste or pieces. The processing flow of the gummy processing machine, sugar transmission by gear pump, storage in sugar storage tank, quantitative syrup transportation, syrup preheating, film cooking vacuum effect, discharge pump to pump out the sugar paste, mixer to mix the flavor pigments and syrup, and mix while the mascute enters the hopper, is cast and formed, enters the cooling tunnel for cooling, is demolded and packaged, is sprayed and packaged,